In this video, I'll show you how to add an email account to your iPhone. It's a very simple process that works on any iPhone model, and it allows you to manage all your emails in one convenient place. Let's get started. Method 1. Adding an account via the Settings app, most common. This is the recommended method as it centralizes all account settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Mail. At the top of the Mail settings, tap Accounts. Here you'll see any existing email accounts. To add a new one, tap Add Account Step-by-Step Setup. You'll now see a list of common email providers like iCloud, Google, Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, Microsoft, and AOL. If your provider is listed, simply tap on it. You'll be prompted to sign in. Enter your full email address and password, then tap Next. iPhone will verify the account. Once verified, you can choose which features to sync, such as Mail, Contacts, Calendars, and Notes. Toggle the features you want on or off. Finally, tap Save in the top right corner. What if my provider isn't listed? If your email provider isn't shown, for example, a work or custom domain email, tap Other at the bottom of the list. Tap Add Mail Account. Enter your name, email address, password, and a description, for example, work email. Tap Next. The iPhone will usually find the correct server settings automatically. If it fails, you may need to enter the incoming IMAP, POP, and outgoing SMTP mail server details, which you can get from your email provider or IT department.